how different algorithms of clustering actually work. So let's get started with k-means, and later on we are going to implement hierarchical clustering, we are going to implement DB-scan and other algorithms as well. So k-means algorithm or k-means clustering acts as the fundamental clustering algorithm, right? So we are going to learn about k-means clustering right now, and later on, whenever we will learn another new algorithm, we will use k-mean clustering as a reference point to measure the difference between k-mean clustering and the other algorithms, right? So it is really important to pay very close attention over here that how k-mean clustering actually works. So as the name suggests, it is k. What is k? We'll talk about it in a minute. Means, it really means average, right? We all know how do we calculate the average. We take the sum of all the values and we divide it with the number of occurrences, right? So what do we mean by k means? So k is going to be a constant number and we have to calculate the average of something, right? Let's see how it works. So here we have some dummy data. Visibly we can see that, okay, fine, this is going to be one cluster, this is roughly going to be another, and this should be another cluster. Visibly we can see that, but computer don't have eyes. Computer has to work with mathematics. So how can machine take this kind of a data and it converts this kind of a data to this kind of data, which means that it can assign each data point. Data point means every data row or every point that denotes the data. So it should assign each data point to a particular cluster center. Cluster center means, for now you can say, it should assign each data point to each cluster family. Right now we have three cluster families: blue, green, and neon, right? So here we can see that this is going to be the neon family, this is going to be the green family, and sorry, blue family, and this is going to be the green family. How it actually works, how how we can derive mathematical equations without going into deep mathematics, how we can do something that this left hand side can become right hand side. That is the goal of clustering. Let's see how it works.